If you work in the creative industry or produce videos like we do, you enjoy the creative side of the job. But when you run a business or work in a small team, project management and back office work are still part of everyday life. How helpful would it be to let AI assist with those tasks so you can spend more time on creative work? If you are already working with AI or thinking about getting started, this video could be relevant for you. In this video, we're going to show how we use Abacus AI DeepAgent to create practical AI agents that help us organize tasks, track ongoing work, and support our daily workflow in a realistic way. Project management and following up with clients can be time-consuming. Offers are sent, feedback is required, and then it becomes harder to keep track of what needs attention. So we created an automated task that helps us stay organized and focused more on creative work. We call it a client offer and feedback follow-up agent. To get started, we first create an internal project dashboard. This dashboard shows all active client projects in one place with clear stages like offer sent, feedback requested, revision, or completed. Alongside that, it includes basic context such as when we last heard from the client and a few short notes about the project. Once this overview is in place, we add a scheduled task that runs daily. Each time it runs, Abacus AI DeepAgent checks which projects have been waiting for a reply for too long, for example, offers that haven't been answered after several days or feedback requests that are still open. Based on this information, Abacus AI DeepAgent prepares suggestions for follow-ups, taking into account the project stage and any notes we've added, the project and the work with the client. It then creates a clear and structured internal overview for us. This summary shows which projects need attention and includes suggested wording that we can review, adjust, and later send out manually. The key idea here is that the agent takes care of tracking and checking while we stay in full control of client communication. This helps us to avoid constantly checking project statuses and instead receive a clear daily overview with guidance for the next steps. Let's now take a look at the second setup. Finding new clients consistently is important, but it can also be very time-consuming. For this, we use Abacus AI DeepAgent to set up what we call a weekly company radar. Here, we define a small set of recurring search topics related to companies in our city and the news they publish. This could include new offices, company expansions, or hiring announcements. A scheduled task then runs weekly and gathers relevant findings. For each interesting company, Abacus AI DeepAgent creates a short internal overview noting what changed and why this could be a good moment for video content, such as employer branding or a company announcement, as these are typical situations where companies could need our services. It also prepares outreach ideas and additional notes, and everything is compiled into a weekly summary that we receive so we can review the information, adjust the wording if needed, and decide who to reach out to or not based on what we find interesting. This way, we stay informed about relevant companies without having to manually search for updates or company news every week. Both setups follow the same principle. Create a clear internal structure, add a scheduled task, and let Abacus AI DeepAgent return regularly with context, reminders, and prepared next steps. There are no complex integration involved, just small, practical automations that help reduce mental load and keep work moving forward. More information can be found in the description below the video.